Hey everyone, and welcome to our little show and tell for the PTM machine. PTM is a pre-treat machine designed to get a shirt ready for direct-to-garment printing. Now, this is an automatic machine. I'm going to show you in just a second. Your alternative is to use kind of a Wagner hand sprayer that you would use to paint a wall in a house. Okay, the PTM machine is normally bundled right in with a DTG M2 direct-to-garment printer or the new G4, which is right behind me. Because it does a couple of things. It allows you to use this in a public environment. There's no overspray, so you can use it in a kiosk or in a small home office. You can basically do it indoors, which is a big plus. Come a little bit closer, and I'm actually gonna walk you through some of the best features of it. Something really unique about the PTM is this rotating tray. Now, if you've got a big shop or if you've got a busy household, then having this sideways mount is kind of a big deal. So I'm just gonna lay the shirt on, and then I'm gonna turn it back around and push it into the Pretreat machine. Now, as you can see from the plexiglass in front, this is kind of a self-contained unit. Again, so you can have it in a public environment and not get the spray on anything. Now, we've got a dial right up here, and this controls the amount of pre-treat that goes on the machine. It actually controls the speed of the nozzle that you're gonna see in just a second that goes back and forth across the shirt. A lower number slows down the nozzle and puts more pre-treat on, and a higher number speeds it up so you get less pre-treat. The only other feature on the front that I'm gonna push is the green button in just a second after I show you what this lever on top is for. Now, what you're gonna see is there is a nozzle inside that slides back and forth when you hit the button, and that's the area that'll lay down the pre-treat on. What I can do is I can unscrew this and I can move the stop for that nozzle. So if I just want to do the top half of a shirt, if I want to do a smaller print or a Left Chest logo, I can move this as far up as I want, and that's where the pre-treat will go. So it's very efficient. Now, if you want to come and look inside, I'm going to hit the green button and you can see how it works. There you go. Again, there'll be a piece of plexiglass here to protect from overspray, but still, it operates pretty cleanly. And that is actually pre-treated. It just has to be taken out of there and put onto the heat press to be finished. But come around the back, because there's another important feature I want to show you about the PTM machine, and that's the ability to use multiple pre-treats in one machine. I've got a selector switch that will allow me to make the machine operate from this hose and nozzle or this hose and nozzle. Now, we're cheating, and we've got 2 pre-treats for light and dark garments for the G4 and 2 for light and dark garments for the M2 that we switch back and forth from. But it's just easy to go from the G4 pre-treat and to the M2 or between specialty pre-treats, however you want to do it, and close it back off. Now, in between, when you switch, there's a little cleaning button there, and you just run the old pre-treat out and you're all done. But all that's left really is to take the shirt out of the pre-treat machine and put it on the heat press for cure. So that is it. If you are looking into a direct-to-garment printer, then definitely you're going to want to go ahead and pick up the PTM machine as well. It'll give you more consistent prints. It'll give you a cleaner office environment, and you and your customers will just be especially happy that they got something, a great quality print and a good environment.